you guys, Roxana here with Soil and Margaritas. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I am going to be adding a bunch of baby boxwoods to this spot in my backyard. I already have a bunch of boxwoods, baby boxwoods back there, and the more I look at this area, the more I'm convinced that I want to add another line there to attach the two beds together. So I have weeds, I haven't edged this bed for the longest time, so that's all that mess that you see there. I'm going to use winter gem boxwoods because I just love how green they are. They're glossy and obviously they're evergreen, so that's the kind that I'm going to be using today. I will be spacing them about 16 inches from each other, and I'm going to be placing them sort of in the spot that I think that I want them. It's always a good idea to just put them there, look from different angles towards that area, and see if you like it, move them around before you start making any holes in your jar. I'm going to start by moving all the mulch from that area so that they don't go away with my grass, and I am going to be marking the new lines for where these boxwoods are going to be going. I am going to be giving them a little bit of fertilizer in the holes where I put them, and I'm going to be mixing that with the ground and just trying to keep it as clean as possible. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it, and if you do, give it a like, subscribe maybe, and yeah, just keep in touch.